Cheating is such a fundamental betrayal of trust. And usually there's a lot of deception involved in cheating. And it may not be in your case. But if she still brings it up, I would say that you haven't really done the work that you need to do to put this matter to rest. And it may take a couple of years before you've actually done the work. So try to get some help. I would suggest to your partner that you go into couples therapy and go into couples therapy with a Gottman certified therapist, because we actually have an approach to healing after an affair that we've tested in a randomized clinical trial, and it's very effective. And we've evaluated it in the most stringent way possible using observational methods, not just self-report. So we have a way of putting this behind a couple, but it has 3 phases. And the first one is atonement. And atonement is not the same as forgiveness. Atonement means that you not only express remorse if you've cheated, but you listen and take responsibility for your part in the betrayal, and go deep and really kind of think about what motivated you to do this thing, and think about how you could make it right, what you can do to, really make amends. And a lot of making amends is just listening. So when she brings it up, the important thing is to not get defensive and not say, well, we've put this behind us. Why are you bringing it up? Don't whine. Don't do anything but say, okay, I understand that this is really important to you. And I understand, tell her that you understand that there's a post-traumatic stress reaction to having been betrayed in that way. And it takes time and effort and repairing the relationship to get to that state of trust again. So absolutely listen when she brings it up. And even if you're going over old ground, still listen. So atonement is a very important initial phase of recovery. The second phase is what we call attunement, which is about really listening well, really tapping into one another emotionally so that the relationship starts to feel safe again. It involves constructively dealing with conflict. Conflict avoidance is very often a part of the turning away from one another that is part of betrayal and cheating. So that second phase is called attunement, so that you're emotionally in tune with one another and connected. And the third phase is called attachment, which now is about reestablishing commitment and trust in the relationship and sexual connection as well. Using this attune, attune, and attach model, 3 A's, requires a really well-trained therapist. Most therapists, research has shown, are very uncomfortable talking about the affair. And they say, move past it without doing anything, without addressing it. So it's got to be a therapist who's really well-trained in this attune, attach model. But the important thing is, when she brings it up, it means that there's still PTSD, that post-trauma response. So the best thing you can do is stop whatever you're doing and say, I'm listening. Talk to me. Tell me about your feelings and your thoughts. I want to know what's going through your head. I understand. This really is a hard thing, and we're trying to rebuild trust together. And I want you to trust me again and believe that you're the only one on the planet for me. So I need to hear what you're feeling and what you're thinking. And I recommend you get a little notebook and keep it in your back pocket for these times when she brings it up again.